guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany B. For those of you that are new, for those of you that are not, welcome to my channel, and I hope that you would like to join by simply hitting that like button, the subscribe button. Today I'm coming here to give you guys a 4-month update on my recent, not so recent purchase from BACKMARKET. It is a MacBook Pro Retina 13.3 inch mid 2014 Core i5 16GB SSD 512 space. This is what I ordered, but I did not receive 16GB RAM. Now that was the only problem that I had encountered while purchasing this MacBook from BACKMARKET. The seller that I had bought from was by the name Caesar. The minute that I found out that I did not get exactly what I paid for, I contacted BACKMARKET customer service and I contacted the seller as well, and we had conversed through texting and email, and we all had resolved the problem by them simply asking me if I want to have a full refund or to simply have 15% on partial refund of what I had paid. So I decided to keep the computer and collect the 15% partial refund. Now after all that is done, after all that was resolved with BACKMARKET and the seller Caesar, I'm here to say, or I'm here to vouch for the seller Caesar product because I've been using it for 4 months and I've been using it for editing all of my YouTube videos, and I must say it's been doing an extremely great job because it has never once stated, oh, your memory is full, or it has never once slowed up while I was editing or frozen or freeze. I had even downloaded the new software, the new Apple software that they recently launched, and my computer is still moving fast, still moving perfectly fine. It's not slowing up, nothing of the sort. I think the reason for that is because I ordered a MacBook Pro instead of a MacBook Air. Now what you guys need to know is if you're going to use a MacBook to edit videos for YouTube or for DJing or anything that is not lightweight, you should definitely order a MacBook Pro instead of a MacBook Air. A MacBook Air, I feel as though that is more so of our laptop to do like schoolwork or light work, period. But as long as you want to do heavy editing, heavy DJing work, I advise you to go for a MacBook Pro instead because MacBook Pro can handle that heavy work. The next thing is you need to know while picking a MacBook Pro for your editing and so forth, you need to always have a large amount of space, and at least if you want your computer to move fast, you should at least go for a RAM size that is of 8GB RAM or a 16GB RAM if you want it to move faster. And I wanted one that will have the 16GB RAM. So I didn't get that, but I kinda was like not satisfied. I even had thought for a moment that I'm gonna return this computer because it's not exactly what I paid for. Because I have 512 space and mine is working perfectly fine for me, and it's still here. I love the way that it's working. I love that the way it's performing for me right now. It's editing my video perfectly fine on iMovie and whatever other apps that I'm using to edit my videos. I love the fact that BACKMARKET and Caesar, the seller Caesar, had get back to me before the end of the day, because I had emailed them like the morning of the following day, and they had gotten back to me like the afternoon that same day, and we had gotten that problem resolved by the next day. Because I wanted to take some time just to think like, should I take the full refund and look for another computer, or should I just take the partial refund? So I just ended up doing the partial refund instead. One thing you guys need to know is BACKMARKET is a marketplace. It has a variety of sellers selling different products, different items. So most likely when you go to purchase your MacBook from there or your iPhone, you will see the same kind but from different persons. So be sure to check reviews, read before you go purchasing from someone and then you end up being unhappy with your purchase when you get it. So please be sure to do your research, read your reviews, make sure that you pick the right computer, whatever purpose you see fit. So make sure that you know what you want to do with your computer before you're going to get it. If you want to do just schoolwork, assignments, small light work stuff, I would advise you go for the MacBook Air. But if you want to do heavy editing, DJ and stuff, then I would strongly advise you to go for the MacBook Pro, and also go for a MacBook Pro that has a large amount of space, and even an 8GB RAM or a 16GB RAM. If anything do happens, I will always come back and give you guys another update. So bye, see you next time. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you will love to stick around by simply hitting that subscribe button somewhere here. Bye, see you guys next time.